us introduce ourselves. We are from fourth semester of Youth Education Study Program. My name is Rosalia, and here there are Lorintan Maharani and Humaira. And so in this interview, we would like to ask every question about your experience in completing your studies and your journey to graduation. So maybe let us begin with a brief introduction. Could you please introduce yourself, including your name, your major, and others?
Yeah. Thank you so much for the questions that have been given to me. My name is actually Dewi. You can just call me Dewi. Seems like you, I took English education major and I just graduated last month. Yeah. I think yeah. The process, directly the process of our research.
Okay, the next question is, could you briefly describe your journey in completing your studies and finally graduating?
Okay. My journey. Okay. My journey since I was actually completing my studies at Sulawesi Barat University, Universitas Sulawesi Barat, starting from joining the PKM. I was just actually started my first time when I just joined PKM. When I was joining activities, for example, like PKM, I joined PKM in 2024 and 2025. Yeah, starting at the time, I just chose PKM as my very good chosen, yeah, so that I can just finish my education, because I think this is a very the best way, I think, yeah, because it's challenging, yeah, and then very famous, or bergengsi, salah satu kegiatan that very famous for all the students in Indonesia. The first time I joined PKM, of course, we have to submit our proposal. Seems like when we just actually finish our skripsi or thesis at the university, we have to provide our proposal, and also after having our proposal, we have to submit it and directly check it by the Permendikbud-Ristek, ya, oleh pusat. Kemudian after receiving our proposal, and we can just actually involve in that research. For the next step is actually continue the proposal. Continue the proposal, it means like we conduct the proposal that we have already met. Because in the proposal we have some problems that we need to fix. Kita punya problem yang harus kita selesaikan, and then the place that I have to just actually fix the problem is in senior high school student, where the topic is actually related to the debate. Ya, specifically debate camp lah. Secara spesifiknya adalah debate camp. And then yeah, first thing first that I did is looking for the data, yeah, and also looking for the location, yeah, because we cannot just choose the place that we want to conduct the research, because it's related to the debate, yeah. So you have to choose the proper one, yeah, especially because the topic when we just actually talk about debate itu related to the critical thinking, yeah. So why we choose senior high school students, because they are already in that age that can have to think more properly, and then bisa lebih apa di waktu-waktu atau di SMA itu mereka sudah mulai berpikir lebih luas di SMA. So why do we choose senior high school? And then after directly choosing everything that we need in our research, of course we need the instruments. We have to have our supervisor, and actually always having a discussion with our supervisor, yeah, because we just have one supervisor, yeah, punya satu pembimbing, yeah, punya satu pembimbing. So that's why he's focused to us. dia akademi kita fokus ke kita untuk menyelesaikan penelitian. And of course we are not alone, kita tidak sendiri, we have team, ya. There are 5 members in our team, and during the activities, of course we, selama aktivitas tersebut, we did our treatments, ya, kita prepare our treatments, ya, kemudian juga our test. We just can say pre-test, ya, treatment, post-test, ya. Kemudian after finishing all the things that we need in our research, we started to writing the result of our research. The way that we start our writing, it's not that simple as you think, because we directly have to provide or just collect some data, yeah, real data from our research. For example, like the test of them, and also the related articles, the related research, yeah, yang masih relate. But it's not that simple because our data is still low, yeah. Still the research is still low, ya. Kemudian juga at the time I and my teammate, one of my teammates actually have some other activities. That's why itu yang that can make us quite difficult in writing, ya. We need a long process because we can add another activities. And then after finishing all the things that we have to write in our articles, we did our exam. Okay, so when we just actually start our exam, of course our preparation is actually supposed to be very good, ya. Our preparation atau persiapan kita harus matang, because we will examine, we will be examine, kita akan diuji langsung sama pusat, ya. Dokter-dokter dari Jakarta Pusat. Jadi we have to prepare well. Kemudian after finishing our exam, we have to just prepare our publication. After publication itu, ya, we just actually need some recommendations, ya, review it again, ya, just come to your supervisors and then completing our task, because we have to submit, ya, every activities that we did in our research to the Kemendikbud, ya, ke PKM, ya, pengelola PKM. Kita harus report atau punya laporan setiap harinya kegiatan kita. Itu sebenarnya. Nah, after that, in the end of that, setelah publication, the other activity is just actually make sure that it already published. But because of in this last year, yeah, in 2025, we are still processing our Sinta 2 publication, because it's quite difficult, lumayan sulit juga di bagian Sinta 2, because ini salah satu Sinta 2 yang paling lumayan tinggi, ya. Biayanya juga agak sedikit di atas, but ya, because we have fee, ya, kita punya pendanaan dari PKM, so that's why if we just actually kekurangan dana, ya, we can actually use our own money, but not that too much, ya, it's not that much, tidak terlalu banyak, karena kita juga punya dana dari PKM. Dan karena masih dalam proses tahap review, still in the process of review, ini juga sedikit agak tricky, ya, karena lambat. The response was so low, sangat lambat. So we just waiting for the result. And yeah, but in 2024 we already published our research at Sinta 4. Kemudian, ya, this year we would like to just actually make it higher than before. Kita mau buat lebih di atas sedikit ya, biar adalah sedikit perkembangan yang improve dari research kita mau dibawa ke Zena 2. So yeah, the process, I think it's actually the process, but do I have to just answer it until the end of my graduation? Dibahas juga prosesnya atau tidak akan pernah
Maybe ada nanti pertanyaan
tersendiri. Oh ya, oke. Maybe that's all about the process in research.
Okay, the next question is, what was the topic of the research article that contributed to your graduation, and how did the writing process unfold?
Yeah, okay. The topic in my research is actually related to the debate game, yeah, especially debate game, and starting from looking for the problems, yeah, looking for from the global, general, yeah, bukan global sih, lebih ke general problems that Indonesia has. Yeah, it's about critical thinking because Indonesia is one of the country that has a low critical thinking. And after looking for the data or articles related to the critical thinking is still low, masih sangat rendah penelitiannya masih sangat rendah. Kemudian because of I and my teammate already have the basic in debate, especially my supervisor Pak Hermatullah, yeah, she's already mastered in debate, sudah master banget di dalam debate. So that's why we just kita initiatively we took the topic, inisiatif mengambil topik tersebut terkait debat, kemudian conducted the research at senior high school student, especially SMA 2 Majene. Okay, so after just finishing all the treatments, all the exams that we did, that research, yeah, starting from the writing process. The writing process is not that easy or simple as you think, because the data has to be manageable, datanya juga. Kemudian because as you know together, if we just come to the students, yeah, they're just shocked or surprised when when they want to speak. Ternyata memang the real data itu memang quite difficult if they just want to speak, especially in English, even in bahasa Indonesia, ya, apalagi even more bahasa Inggris. Nah, that's why that's become the challenging for us, ya, karena debate itu adalah trying to make your own opinions but still using the real data. Yeah, you have to make it structurally, regularly, kemudian you can just show it and deliver it by data. Nah, kemudian then it makes some students shocked for that, or surprised, and then make them like quiet afraid, or just say they are afraid if they cannot speak. But it's okay to be like that because ya, masih jarang juga penelitiannya memang ternyata seperti itu. But it's okay, just do it and then making. That's why in the end of our research we have some treatments, and then exam, treatment posters. Nah, seperti itu our activities in our research. Kemudian pelatihan juga ya, treatment. And then proses of the writing juga the writing, kalau ada writingnya we just give our full effort in writing, ya, because the data, ya, provide the data, kemudian juga the articles related to our topic, and then in the way that we finished our writing, we have to with our supervisor Paramatullah, because usually he guide us in completing our research, yeah, especially for the by using SPSS. Yeah, using SPSS is the one of the simple way to conduct the result of our research. Kemudian juga process of the writing. After finishing all, our supervisor has to check it first, and then it's not only supervisor but also our documentation to the Kemendikbud has to know that. PKM has to know our juga harus tahu perkembangan kita, ya, perkembangan kita, kegiatan kita, mereka juga harus tahu. Kemudian juga selain daripada itu, because we made it in English, mana ya? Bukan. Oh, in bahasa Indonesia actually. Yeah, when we just actually make it a publication, of course we have to translate it into bahasa Inggris, make it related to our research. So it's very challenging for us. Why do we say that challenge us? Because the way that we have our publication, you have to care of the structure writing of yours. Because if you just actually you don't have a good grammar, or using best tools when you write the research, they will be rejected, akan ditolak. Nah itu, jadi ditolak ya, review, kemudian kembali revision, ya tidak ada aktivitas selain revisi. Dan kalau sudah, when you are already in the process of publication, one thing that you will always do is actually the revision. Jadi setelah publikasi itu selalu melakukan revisi with your supervisor, and then maybe that's quite sudah lebih bagus itu kalau misalkan 2 kali revisi atau 3 kali itu sudah insya Allah sudah bisa diterima dan bisa terpublikasi. Then you pay it the fee of the publication, and then your name already come out. Seperti itu.
Okay, about teamwork. Before you mentioned that you work on this by team. So how was the team formed? How were tasks divided, and what was your specific role?
Okay, related to the team of us. Okay, we specifically our team, we have in the same major, English education. Why we choose English? Why we choose in the same major? Why we chose in the same major? Because we think in the end our research actually we want to converse atau membawanya ke skripsi. Jadi and our topic as well is related to education and our major. That's why we want to just make it simple, ya. Kita mau memudahkan teman-teman, kemudian anggota supaya mereka bisa lebih mudah konversi mata kuliah, skripsi. Jadi kenapa kita memilih untuk pembentukan timnya seperti itu? Karena untuk masa depan. Nah, karena if it's not actually related to your research, you cannot convert it. Tidak bisa dikonversi kalau misalkan tidak sesuai sama penelitianmu, kemudian majormu, kemudian jurusan itu susah dikonversi. Makanya kita the first we just join PKF itu kita memikirkan masa depan. Kira-kira ini bisa dipakai apa? Jangan sampai itu hanya akan sebatas formalitas aja. Karena you already gave your effort. If you don't get the benefit, it's just useless. Gitu. Bakal useless aja. Jadi makanya why we did the form of our team seperti itu. Kita ngambil the team from English education study program, but we have to be in the different batch. Harus beda batch ya, 2024, 2025 angkatan batch itu angkatan 2000 berapa kah, 2024 kah, 2022 itu harus beda, because this is the consequence, that's the memang ketentuannya dari sana ya. Kalau misalkan memang tidak bisa berbeda jurusan, setidaknya berbeda angkatan. Nah, karena memang harus ada yang beda di sini sebenarnya. Jadi kita pilihnya yang itu karena itu yang lebih relate. Karena kalau misalkan junior ya dia at least bisa dapat konversi mata kuliah. But if you are already in the end of semester, you can just convert it in the thesis skripsi. Bisa dikonversi ke skripsi. Okay, related to the jobs that we have in our research research activities. Of course, we have our own jobs. Kita punya masing-masing pekerjaan di dalam bidang di research kita. Ada yang fokus ke penulisan, ada yang fokus publikasi. Maksudnya publikasi adalah media sosial, ada yang fokus keuangan, ada yang fokus data, ada yang fokus lapangan, ada yang fokus apa lagi. Nah, but in the first is actually when we just actually starting from the proposal, itu we all together. Kenapa together? Karena di proposal itu adalah cari data saja. Cari data, kemudian cari masalah ya. Kita sebenarnya nggak mau cari masalah, tapi kita harus cari masalah. Nyari masalah, kemudian habis nyari masalah, after it was received sudah diterima dan bisa melanjutkan program atau research, itu kita sudah agak pisah-pisah. Kenapa pisah-pisah? Karena ada di lapangan, ada di data, ada instrumen, ada menulis laporan, ada juga menulis logbook. Itu untuk pertanggungjawaban ke perusahaan. Jadi lumayan banyak ya. Kemudian sosial media. Jadi pilih salah satu yang bisa edit. Iya, edit. Tapi di samping mereka punya their own job, ketika we gather, kita berkumpul bersama, itu kita semua saling ngasih ide. Tapi kita punya own jobs. Walaupun kita punya own jobs, itu kita tetap ngasih ide masing-masing. Kita satuin lah idenya kita supaya bisa tersusun, apalagi dalam bidang kepenulisan. Tapi kalau pre-writing maksudnya sebelum menulis, itu kita fokus ke lapangan. Bahannya, instrumennya, materinya, pembawa materinya, ya itu semua, dokumentasinya, itu semuanya tugas masing-masing. Ya. Kemudian di penulisan, nah kalau sudah di penulisan otomatis berarti kita akan fokus try to how to write the best version, ya, menulis artikel dengan lebih bagus. Nah di bagian kepenulisan artikel, nah first ngolah data, Excel, SPSS, kemudian jobnya ya. Kemudian juga publikasi, sosial media. That's the very important things because after we did all our treatments, we have so many presentation in the class, ya, in our own activities. Ketika kita did our writing, we have to have our kita harus punya publikasi juga, maksudnya punya dokumentasi untuk dilaporkan. Itu di situ. Kemudian juga setelah mengasih, nah there are the next is actually supervisor. Nah supervisor kita di sini adalah guide us, ya, to make sure our data, memastikan data kita, kemudian juga memastikan and also have publication Sinta 2, ya. That's one of the choose that you can choose, ya. Salah satu pilihan yang bisa kalian pilih. If you don't want to make skripsi, ya, kalau nggak mau buat skripsi boleh PKM, kan masih semester 4 kan? Iya. PKM atau bisa juga Sinta 2. Kalau Sinta 2 itu nggak perlu PKM. Iya, bisa banget. Jadi kalau misalkan now you can did your research, now you can do your research, bisa melakukan riset saat ini. Nanti kalian harus publish di Sinta 2 tanpa PKM. But the challenge ketika di bagian Sinta 2 itu sangat tight atau ketat kalau Sinta 2. Kemudian juga fee-nya lumayan. Maksudnya biayanya lumayan. Ya, betul. Makanya dia Sinta 2 itu termasuk tinggi karena biayanya juga tinggi. Kemudian juga kalau mau lulus itu ketat. Dia ketat juga dia ketat pengecekannya. Kalau misalkan sudah mau publish itu ketat sekali. Pokoknya isinya tuh harus benar-benar sesuai. Akan banyak revisi seperti itu. So just if you want to use a skripsi, yeah, it's okay. Ya, dan itu juga sebenarnya bisa improve you well. But because you are alone, you have to motivate yourself karena kamu sendiri. Jadi kalian harus bisa motivasi diri kalian sendiri. Karena kapan kalian berhenti, malas gitu. Kalau berhenti beberapa hari, malas nih bimbingan. Nah, different kalau PKM we had deadline. Kita punya deadline, kita dikasih waktu. Jadi kalau di PKM itu kita dikasih waktu dan mau tidak mau harus selesai. Makanya kita cepat selesai karena ada deadline gitu. Tapi kalau misalkan kita sendiri skripsi, it's okay as long as you can bring yourself, bisa motivate yourself to be faster, bisa lebih cepat, dan juga jangan malas-malas revisi. Kemudian dosennya juga dosennya itu support kalian. Nah, itu sebenarnya udah bisa sih sebenarnya, karena the process of our research is actually same. Ya, sebenarnya prosesnya sama, proses penelitiannya sama, cuman the way we can finish ya, jalannya untuk menuju selesai itu beda. Kalau researchnya sama, treatment, ngumpulin data itu sama, cuman menuju selesainya yang sulit karena itu bimbingannya beda kan. Bimbingannya ada 2, terus belum lagi sulit. Karena kalau di PKM itu nggak boleh sulit ditemui, karena itu juga jadi penilaian. Karena kalau misalkan dosennya seperti itu, itu bisa mengarah kepada nilai, bisa lanjut ke nasional gitu. Nah kalau misalkan sendiri mah ya udah ya di internal aja, negatifnya ke kita sendiri ya. Tapi kalau PKM itu semuanya dapat, supervisor, timnya juga dapat, negatifnya kalau misalkan kalian main-main di situ. Gitu. Jadi itu sebenarnya perbedaannya.
Okay, maybe that's all the question we have today. That was very informative, or in Indonesia we say isinya daging bang.
Okay.
Daging. Thanks again for your participate in this occasion.